And now let's customize the Windows 11 cursor. Let's open up this website, which is also linked in video description down below. And for this tutorial, I chose Windows 11 Cursors Concept version 2 from Jeopardy Creations. So this pack is completely free, or if you want to use the paid version, which is Concept HD from the same developer, I believe it is €2 for this paid version, and I think it's totally worth it. So for this tutorial, I will go with the free version. You can see here. Now let's click on this green download arrow to get the zip file of the cursor pack. Once you have the zip file, let's open it in the File Explorer Downloads folder by clicking this folder icon here. Inside the File Explorer, let's right click on the zip file, click Extract All here, and then extract once again. And here in the extracted folder, you can pick from the light version or dark version of the cursor. Here I will go with the dark one. So let's open up the dark folder. Here I will go to the cursor folder and let's right click on the install file and then click install here and click open. Click yes on the admin prompt, and this should install the cursor. And now you can also see that one window popped up, in this case mouse pointers. The scheme is currently set on none, but here you need to pick the version you installed, in this case cursors dark. Let's click on this one, click apply, click yes here, and then OK, and you can already see this brand new cursor that I have here.